In this video, I will show you how to clear the cache and data in Google Maps. First, launch open Google Maps on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings. Now tap on About and Terms. Here, look for the option of Clear Application Data. If that option is available, you can simply tap on it and confirm by tapping on OK. If you do not find this option over here, then you can simply launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find apps. From this list of applications, look for Google Maps. Now tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. This is going to clear the app's data and reset temporary app data. You can also tap on the clear data option, which is going to sign you out of your Google account in Google Maps. That's how you can clear Google Maps cache and data. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.